Good day, my name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and native topics. If you find these videos helpful, please consider supporting me on PayPal, Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. Links in the description box below. Today we're going to cover Mathematics in 6. The topic of this tutorial is a mixed bag of exam DP test questions. Round 8, question 8.2. The question is included in the video. We have been asked to issue a cautionary note. When doing these questions, please use the method I'm going to show you, as this is the method that is marked correct. Using your own method to answer the questions could cost you marks, even though your method and answer might be right. See the cautionary notes at the beginning of the video. On a side note, watch until the end of the video. If you watch only the first 5 minutes, you will not gain a full understanding of what you need to do. There is no quick fix in mathematics. It takes persistence, discipline and repetition. You have to use these steps in order to succeed. Let's get straight into it. Now our question states, calculate the volume moment about the y-axis as the distance and as well as the distance of the center of gravity from the y-axis. So, what we need to do is take this sum and this graph. So we need to calculate the center of gravity. That's what they want. So they want the volume moment. So the change in volume moment is equal to pi, the integral of xy squared dx. So what we have here is equal to pi. Now the integral is 2 and 0. So x times 2e to the x squared dx. So what we are left with is pi, the integral of 2 and 0. So now 2 times 2 squared is 4. So that's x times 4e to the 2x dx. Now we have a different baby. 2 and 0. Now we've got 4x times e to the 2x. Now we've got two things here. dx. Now we've got to use integration by parts. So integration by parts will work like this is u and that's v prime. So now we've got u is equal to 4x and u prime is equal to 4. Now what we need to do is take v prime is equal to e to the 2x and v will be 2 over e to the 2x. E to the 2x over 2. My mistake. Now, how it's going to work now is pi times u v minus the integral of u prime v. So what we're going to do is say pi times 4x times v, which is e to the 2x over 2 minus the integral of 4 times e to the 2x over 2. So, what we are going to do now is say, now we can integrate. Now we go 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this will be, that'll go away, and this will be 2. So now we'll have this and we can integrate that. So let's do the integration quickly. The integration of 2 and 0 is 2e to the 2x. So this will be 2 over 2. E to the 2x. 2 and 0. Now, 4 divided by 2 is 2. That's 2. Now we have this. So what we need to do now is say my pi times 2x e to the 2x minus e to the 2x. Minus pi. Now all we have to do is say this is 2, this is 2, and that is 2. Now we've got 2 times 0 e to the 2 times 0 minus e to the 2 times 0. Now we are almost there. So this becomes pi 4e to the 4 minus e to the 4. And this all minus pi times minus 1. So all this here becomes minus 1. Because 2 times 0 is 0, e to the power 0 is 1, 1 times 0 is 0, 2 times 0 is 0, and it's just minus 1 here. Pi times minus 1. And that is what we are left with. So, what we are left with essentially, now this pi can come here, or it's all, we can actually take like terms. So, pi times 3e to the 4 minus minus is a plus 1, like so. This equals the change in V in your volume moment. So our center of gravity is equal to Vm over V. So this will equal 3e to the 4 plus 1 over 2e to the 4 minus 2. And this all equals 1,537 units. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It really helps with the algorithm and to grow the channel. Positive feedback is most welcome. I enjoy reading your comments. Please use the comments section to let me know what topics you'd like me to cover in upcoming videos. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day, looking forward to seeing you in the next video.